Hi, you guys, we are finally going to Dubai. Oh my god, it's happening. After all the back and forth, we are finally going. So, I need to take you all through everything that went on. So, basically, I literally came back to my house a few hours back and then I packed everything, like, just did some last minute packing, and I'll be booking my cab right now. And then we're going to the airport, and then we're gonna catch our flight, which is gonna take us to Dubai. I was actually in Goa yesterday and we won our first award. I cannot even believe I'm saying this. And I also want to show you all something. Can you all see this picture? Can you all see this picture? It has come to life and I can't believe, like, you all know how much I believe in manifestation, but this is insane. We won the Emerging Creator of the Year award and I'm so grateful and so happy, and yeah, it just means the world to me. And we've also hit 50k on YouTube. Finally, we are 50% closer to our silver play button, which is insane. Like, I can imagine it being in my house in a few months or whatever time it takes. I know it's gonna be in my house super soon, but yeah, all of that is done. Guys, I literally forgot my charger and my phone is on 20%. So I am buying a power bank and that comes with the wire because I don't have the charger and the wire. So I have to buy both right now. I better get a power bank, otherwise what will I do? How will I survive 3 hours of travel? And then even in Dubai, I have to book my cab and everything. Like, I cannot do without my phone. At this point, you guys, I was so tired because I was constantly traveling. So the minute I sat in the flight, like the minute it took off, I slept and I woke up when we were about to land. And when I reached the Dubai airport, I was just so exhausted, and even my luggage, it took like 30 minutes for it to come, and I was almost gonna complain that hello, my luggage is not here, but thankfully it came. Okay, you guys, we are in Dubai. It's been 5 minutes and I'm already so in love. This is grand, this is so pretty, and I have the prettiest sunset view. Like, the sun is setting and like you can see the golden hour. I am tired, I look tired, but I am so happy to be here. I can't wait to explore what all is there, the food, the cafes, the malls and everything else. But right now I think I'm just gonna enjoy the sunset. It is incredible. Okay, you guys, I just checked into the hotel. Now I'm entering my room and we know that I will be doing like a first impression room tour, obviously. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. The only thing that I am excited for is a bathroom which looks stunning. This is screaming like luxury. I love it. Then we have a mirror where I can take all my outfit checks, fit checks. And this is the room. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Even though I don't drink coffee, but this is so pretty. They have like a coffee station, coffee bar, whatever you call it. And we have a huge TV. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I wish it was a sunset view, but it's a sunrise view. guys, good morning. It's my first day in Dubai and I've just like freshened up. I did very little bit of makeup. It's almost like nothing's there. And now today we are going to this place called Matcha DXB, and it's like a paddle club, and I really wanted to try something I don't know, something very casual. And whenever I'm on a trip, I just want to always act like a local. And I saw this place on Instagram. It looked so pretty, and I really want to play paddle. It would be my first time playing paddle, that too in Dubai, and that too while having matcha, which you all know I'm currently obsessed with. So I'm not taking a shower. I will take it after we are done with everything because we are gonna sweat and all. So just gonna put on like a cute workout outfit and then we'll get going. So I'm wearing this set. I have this top. It's like a little bluish kind of workout top, and obviously it comes with a set. So this is the bottom, and on top I am thinking of just throwing on this shirt just to make it a little casual. And in my head this outfit looks really pretty, so let me try it on and then we'll see if it's actually looking good. Okay guys, the shirt was not looking good, but I am in love with this outfit. I know this hoodie doesn't make sense because it's like so hot, but just for the outfit it looks like a total slay. And I've worn, wait, how do I show you all my shoes? I can't, but I'll show you all my shoes. But we are ready. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Look at everything. What area is this called?
Okay, you guys, we've reached the paddle place, and yeah, we booked it online and we had to pay for the racket and the ball as well, which was kind of funny. And now we are entering our paddle area, which is number 5 again. I love how my lucky numbers just aligned for me. Oh my god, it's orange, and I think Anik is absolutely
Bro, this is amazing.
loving. Oh my god,
You're coming with the shade.
first time playing paddle. Let's go.
Go there, there's shade there.
Okay guys, we just got done with paddle. I freshened up, like just washed my face a little, and now we've come to this cafe. It's just connected to you know, the area where we are playing at, and probably gonna order like an avocado toast or something. I am so hungry. Guys, I can get used to this lifestyle. I'm having my matcha. It's so good. First they gave it without milk, and then I told them to just add the milk. It is hitting and I'm loving it. And now we are done with this place. We just had like our food, and we wanted to go to this place called, Anik is taking random pictures. But yeah, we wanted to go to this charm place. It's called Charm Bar, but it's gonna open in another hour or so, and we don't want to waste time, so we're just going to our hotel, gonna freshen up. I am a little sweaty, and yeah, then we will see what we want to do next.
I'll check from that side.
Guys, what can possibly go wrong on a trip? I will tell you. You lose your phone. Yes, that happened with me. I forgot my phone in the cab, and I'm embarrassed because I'm not usually the one who does things like that. But we came back in our room and I was like, where's my phone? Where's my phone? And I was in the cab. Thankfully we called and then it's sorted. He's coming back. Good guy. I mean, he's taking money for it, but it's okay. I'm just like, give me my phone. So we're just going down. We'll take out cash, and then we'll give it to that guy, and then we'll take my phone back, and I'll have my phone, and only then I'll relax, because my phone is everything to me, and then I'm gonna just stick it to myself. Yeah, that's what we are doing. We have her. We got it back. I have never been so happy and so relieved in my entire life. Like, for the last 1 hour, my life stopped, my world stopped, and I'm like, my phone, it has my everything. And yeah, now I'm sticking it to my body. This is not going anywhere now. Anyways, we're going to Dubai Mall next. I need to freshen up, I need to take a shower, and I need to get into good, nice clothes, and then we'll get going, and hopefully we'll do some shopping. You guys, I am ready and I am in love with my outfit. First time I'm wearing a navy chic dress, and we are going to Dubai Mall. The only thing I was extremely excited for. Guys, whosoever is shopping in Dubai is extremely rich, because even Urban Outfitters, which I thought I could buy, feels so expensive. And like, I just want to buy everything, but everything is like overly priced, but I still will end up buying something. So let's hope I find good deals and like good stuff. So after a really unsuccessful shopping day, we decided to go to Dubai at the top, and we were right on time because we wanted to see the sunset from top there, and we were on the 124th or 125th floor. And guys, it was so pretty. Like, I felt so small being up there, but everything was too pretty. The sunset was a vibe. I also got this coin just as a memory. You just spin the wheel and you get this pretty coin, and yeah, it's just for the memes. Later on, we also saw this Dubai fountain show. This was actually the first one. It starts at 6:30 and we were right on time again. And yeah, the sunset just made this whole thing so pretty. There were so many people, and the whole show, I think it lasts for like 15 something minutes, and we saw it again at the night because we were just strolling there. And then lastly, we went to Top Golf, which is a 10 on 10 experience. I had so much fun. I learned some of it, and we had to wait for an hour even though we like literally pre-booked it from India. And it's okay, actually it's a 10 on 10 experience, so it's worth the wait, and I don't think you should miss this out if you're in Dubai because it's so good. Hi you guys, good morning. It's my day 2 in Dubai, and just woke up last night. Actually yesterday, second half, I was just vlogging from my phone because camera was not allowed in Dubai Mall, and then we were just there, and so I thought it would be fun to just vlog from my phone. So that's that. But now we are back to our camera, which I absolutely love. Just want to give you all a quick update. That skin is not skinning. I don't think you all can see it clearly, but I have rashes and hives all over my face. It's some allergic reaction that happened yesterday, and I just don't know how to fix it. It's just weird. It's not that visible on camera, but I don't like it at all. But I'm sure it's gonna be okay. Maybe it's the weather change, or I don't know, maybe it's the water, maybe it's some actual allergic reaction. But I did get like an allergy test done and nothing came in that, so I don't know like what is it. But I will be back to Mumbai tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last day in Dubai. So yeah, anyways, breakfast is here now, so let's have that. Okay you guys, I am ready and we are going to another mall today. It's like 20-30 minutes from our hotel. A follower of mine suggested that I should go to that mall if Dubai Mall is too expensive, which I think it is, because I did not get a single thing which is insane. But yeah, we are going there and then we'll see what we do today. Really nice day planned ahead. Also, I love my outfit. Let me show you guys. So I have just tied a bun right now. Then I have this really pretty yellow top and I'm wearing like a long skirt. Wait, I need to go out for this. Yeah, so this is how the skirt looks like and I have my slippers on. And it's a really nice chill shopping and just chilling kind of a day outfit. And I think our cab is here, so we'll go. Anik thought that this mall was gonna be like a major bummer and not good, but I knew that I can trust my followers. They are literally the best and they suggested such a nice mall. It has so much. It's also really nice and
Aesthetic,
calm.
very
it's
aesthetic.
and
I mean, look at
less
that, bro.
less people,
It's so
which is
good.
amazing. So yay!
Muskan Rawat trying Alia Bhatt's famous cheesecake?
It's a milk cake.
Milk cake. Okay.
It's really good. It's really nice. It's just melting in your mouth. Okay guys, we came back to the hotel to like quickly change and now we are going to a beach club. Finally, I've not been to a single beach club in Dubai and they are supposed to be so amazing, so I'm kind of excited. I hope that it doesn't sort of, I don't know, disappoint me. It's 5 right now. I think we are a little late. This beach club called Verde, which is in Palm Jumeirah, is literally the best beach club I have ever been to. It was such a vibe and the sunset was amazing, and there was this option you could either opt for a sunbed, which was almost like 10,000, 15,000, or you could just sit on the bar table and order whatever you want to and just pay for that. So that's what we did. Even though we don't drink, we just called for a pizza and a mocktail, and I just clicked so many good pictures here. It was so pretty. Okay, we have say hi to vlog, say hi to vlog, and you say hi again.
You say hi to my
No,
vlog first.
yeah, hi. No, I'm saying in Singapore we met like this, and now in Dubai we meet like this. Yay! Guys, it was not planned. I told Rian Kanch that me and Anika are going to Dubai, and they were like, oh my god, we are also going to Dubai. So meet me. Hi you guys, good morning. It's my last day in Dubai and oh my god, this was such a short trip. It was not supposed to be short, but because I went to Goa, 2 days went there, and so it just became like a 3-day trip. But I think it was like a nice chill one, and right now I think I will start packing because we need to check out and then we'll head out. So I think let's start packing as of now. experience. I know it's a little sunny. Ideally we should have gone either in the morning or maybe during the sunset, but I just want to do it. I don't want to miss it, and so we're just gonna do that, and then we'll see what next. I think we have our flight, so we need to be at the hotel by 4:30. So yeah, that's the plan. Also, I look a little different. I've done a very different look today with the scarf and even my sunglasses and like a nice white dress. So it's different, but I think it's very suitable for Dubai. So yeah. After having our lunch, we went to our hotel, checked out and changed, and literally came to the airport and flew back. This was such a nice, short and sweet trip for me, and I'm so glad. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.